Hey, hello, oops, how are you? I hope you're good. Yeah, because I am. You know when I'm in moods like this, you know what it means? It means I am meditating. It means I'm meditating. The pinky and the brain, the pinky and the brain, the one with the eager, the other insane. Dun, 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 dun. Don't mind me. It's just a theme song from my favorite cartoon. That's all. The Pinky and the Brain. You ever heard of it? Whoa, it's like the coolest cartoon ever. You love it. You could check it out. You'll love it. Oh, okay, so yeah, I'm alive. I'm here with you guys. Back like I never left. I hope you're all. Wait, you missed me, right? Yeah, of course I know you missed me. I'm Jennifer, and this is PrepClass. And without much ado, we'll just continue from where we stopped. So, here we go. Yeah, it's here again. Oh my god, don't forget to like or comment. Just move, let's move it. Don't forget to like or comment. We need you to like our comment, okay? So we want you to like our comment. Please like our comment and let's know what you think about PrepClass. Let's know what you think about your learning experience with us, and let's know what other kind of concerns you may have. Okay, so fast forward to our questions. All right, so the instruction here says choose from the options lettered A. So the option here says choose from the options lettered A to D the one that is nearest in meaning to the underlined words in the sentences below. Okay, so nearest in meaning, we just finished our previous learning session. We dealt with antonyms, that's opposite in meaning, and how we are dealing with synonyms, that's nearest in meaning. So our 56th question, Peter heard the news with an astonished smile. So astonished, what's another word for astonished? Options A, adequate, B, abundant, C, courageous, and D, amazed. So what's astonished? Astonished is the feeling that something unexpected has happened. So it's the feeling you get when something unexpected happens. Something you weren't expecting. Say for example, let's see. Say for example, when your dad gives you car keys to a new BMW, maybe for your 16th birthday. Yippee! Yeah, isn't it nice? It's like, wow, you could have that astonished look on your face. So that is exactly what astonished is all about. It's the feeling you get when something you least expect happens. So another word, the synonym, another word for astonished is amazed. Amazed. Okay, so they just about share similar meanings. So you can interchangeably use astonished with amazed. You can interchangeably use both words. So here we have it, option D, amazed, as our correct answer. Okay, our 57th question. The little girl was given an antidote for the poison. Okay, for the poison. So another word for antidote. A, venom, B, remedy, C, toxin, and D, counsel. By the way, speaking of poison, I ate food poisoning 3 days ago. God, I spent the entire day, and even the day after, stooling and throwing up. Can you imagine that? It was horrible. I felt like I wanted to. I just about passed out everything I ate. Every single thing I consumed, I passed them out and I threw them out. And I was so light and dizzy, and it was a horrible experience, really. I hope you guys don't get to experience something like that ever. Okay, so antidote. What's antidote? An antidote means a remedy from the effects of poison. So when you eat food poisoning, not like poisoning, whenever you eat something that seriously or severely upsets your stomach or your internal organs, you use an antidote to reverse the effect. Okay? You use it to remedy the effect of poison. So an antidote is also known as a remedy. It comes to the rescue, just like PrepClass does, right? We come to the rescue. PrepClass comes to the rescue. So just like an antidote, PrepClass comes to the rescue. It remedies. So here we have it, option B, remedy. So another word for antidote is remedy. Okay, our 58th question. Mrs. Brown has an immaculate record of service. Immaculate, so another word for immaculate. What comes to your mind when you hear the word immaculate? Well, what comes to my mind is the Virgin Mary. I more or less associate the word immaculate with the Virgin Mary. Okay, so here, what is another word for immaculate? A, obscene, B, indecent, C, inadequate, and D, chaste. Alright, so immaculate means pure, without stain or blemish. It could also mean spotless and undefiled. So another word for immaculate is chaste. When you're without sin, when you're undefiled, when you are so pure, spotless. Spotless. So another word for immaculate is chaste. That means that the word immaculate and the word chaste just about share the same meaning. Okay? And they both can be used interchangeably. Alright, so we have it. Option D, chaste, as our answer. Okay, our 59th question. The boys are full of juvenile pranks. Juvenile, what's another word for juvenile? A, grown up, B, irresponsible, C, adolescent, and D, matured. So juvenile means young and not fully developed. So just about from when you were born right up until you get to 18, you get to 18 or 20, or even till 23 or 24 or thereabouts. So you are considered not fully developed, okay? Not fully developed. So that's your juvenile years. And another word for juvenile is adolescent, okay? So your juvenile stage is that stage when you are not fully developed. And another name for it is adolescent. All right, immature, childish, they all mean the same thing. So 59, we have it, adolescent. Okay, that's another word for juvenile. Our 60th question. The teasing of the girls was spiteful. A, cruel, B, loving, C, fair, and D, kind. So what's another word for spiteful? Spiteful means vex, annoy, irritate, not nice, mean. You know, like bullies. I mean, I never really got to experience bullying back in school because I was tough, I was a tough girl. Don't mind me. Well, truth is, we all have at some point, we've all at some point had our share of bullies. I mean, mine though is just in the tiniest portion, not really a bully. I didn't ever consider myself being bullied back in school because I always try to put up this hard front, I was like fronting hard. So I didn't exactly fall for bullying though, but yeah, we had seniors, older girls, much bigger girls who tried intimidating me, but no, I didn't fall for it. And I'm telling you guys, if you're in any way, no, truth be told, jokes apart, if you're in any way going through any kind of bullying in school, you've got to step up, face it. I mean, it's a challenge. So how about you face it? You've got to face it. So don't shy away from your bullies. Face them. Face your fears. All right? I did, and I won. I succeeded. You can too. Do I sound like a motivational speaker? Well, I mean it. You can stand up to your bullies and overcome them. All of them. Okay, no matter how big they are, no matter whatever they are, you can beat him. Not like beat him. Not like beat him, just beat him. Alright, so another name for spiteful is cruel. And that is because spiteful means annoy, irritate, not nice, mean, like mean. So most times when you see where bullies especially tease girls, it's usually very cruel. You know, it's like so cruel, you're like, oh, you're filled with pity. So yes, that's another word for spiteful is cruel. And we have it option A. The teasing of the girls was cruel or spiteful. Okay, so option A, cruel. And that is it. So option A, cruel, and that is it. And with that, we've come to the end of this learning session. It's just the end of this learning session, not the end of our entire learning, sessions. It comes in sessions, remember? So it's not the end. Stick your butt right there. I'm coming back in a jiffy, okay? I'm coming back in a jiffy. So sit right there and tune in to the next learning session with PrepClass. Stay good, but until then, stay good, stay fine, eat your favorite food. I love food, I love food. Eat your favorite foods, be happy, do things that make you happy, be studious, don't ever forget to work hard at school. Try to take your school work serious, and of course, continue to learn with PrepClass. And you'll ace those exams. I'm telling you, you'll ace those exams. So be good, study hard. I should have said play hard, but no, don't play hard. Nah, don't play hard. Play later. Just later. Be good, okay? PrepClass loves you. Bye.